Now for the anodes, super simple. You literally just take out that one bolt. This will pop off and the anode's on the inside. You basically got 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they even hide one underneath here. Now I'm not gonna take them all out because you can see this boat's usually run in fresh water, so you can see this one's not really corroded. Now if you're in salt water, you're gonna wanna replace all these. Even if you're in fresh water, just take a look at them and see what they look like. I'm just gonna show you here. Just put your ratchet on, take the bolt out. Basically, you just gotta pull it straight out. There we go. So this one's not so bad. You could actually clean this up with a wire brush. There's a bunch of gunk on there. Now, while you're at it, you can flush all this out. You can actually put on your water muffs, which I don't have any out here right now, but you can put them on there, open up all your anode ports, and the water will come up and flush it out. So as it's doing that, you can clean it out and it'll flush everything out, and then you can put the bottom one in and work your way up till the water comes out of the top one. All right, so this anode right here, you can see is not so bad. It's still got its original shape. If you run a lot in salt water, you'll notice that this won't look like this. It'll be all chewed up and indented, and it will be mostly gone. So this one's fine. I'm going to leave it in there because this boat just runs in fresh water. Make sure you put it in nice and straight so that O-ring seats in there, and then you get your bolt and you just put it back in. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.